when I try to access a website through Google Chrome. It's showing Google Chrome untitled and a blank page. I have tried to enter many websites, but it doesn't work. If you are in trouble like me, then see how to solve. Now close the Google Chrome browser. Right-click on the Google Chrome icon. Then go to Properties. Inside the Shortcut tab, here rename the text with -no-sandbox. Then click Apply. Then click the OK button. Then restart your computer. Now launch Google Chrome browser. I hope your problem has been resolved after my instruction in this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching my video, please subscribe and share it with everyone.